If you've ever been overwhelmed by spam or privacy concerns while managing your email, then you might want to hear about Addy. This platform claims to offer a unique solution through email aliases, but does it really deliver on that promise? Addy.io is designed to help users create email aliases that can be used for different purposes without revealing your main email address. The core functionality is straightforward. You can generate unique aliases for shopping, newsletters, or any online service. This means you can manage your inbox more effectively and avoid spam. The user experience feels intuitive, with a clean interface that allows you to create and manage aliases quickly. You can even delete an alias if it starts receiving too much unwanted mail, which is a handy feature. However, while the concept is solid, there are some unclear aspects, such as how long the aliases remain active and whether there are any limitations on the number of aliases you can create. For casual users, this might not be a deal breaker, but it's something to consider if you plan to use the service extensively. On the plus side, Addy.io provides a practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their email privacy and reduce spam. The ability to create and manage multiple aliases is definitely a strong point, especially for online shoppers and newsletter subscribers. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of clear information about alias expiration and potential limitations can leave users feeling uncertain. Pricing could also be a concern. While there may be free options, more advanced features might come at a cost that some users may not find justifiable. Overall, Addy.io may not suit those who prefer a more traditional email experience or those who need extensive support for their aliases, but for privacy-conscious users or those wanting to declutter their inbox, it could be a worthwhile tool. In conclusion, Addy.io is a practical solution for managing email aliases, particularly if privacy and spam reduction are your priorities. However, if you need more clarity on features or are wary of hidden costs, it might be worth exploring alternatives. Overall, it's a solid option, but proceed with a bit of caution.